Tech Tip Thursday, Flavor Fusion. It's going to look like last week's Flavor Fusion, because it is. This week we're going to talk about diffusers. We talked about UF1 diffusers and how those can leak water. We didn't talk about how a diffuser works necessarily in its performance and the quality of soda that you get out of it. So here I've got 4 diffusers, or actually 4 diffusers on this unit, but I have 3 down. I'm going to show you a couple different things that are super important to how this unit works. So, diffuser 1, well actually let's take a good diffuser. So you can see this is 2 independent pieces, and this part is going to be what kind of blends your soda together. Not as important, but what's most important on those is just that they hang up there. Nobody likes to get soda and have this fall into their soda while they're getting the soda. And then the next side of it, and we will go through, I'll go wash and sanitize all this, I'm not too crazy. I'm going to show you a good diffuser. So you can see, on the bottom we have all 4, and on the top we have our pieces to go up and into our diffuser backplate. Now these can also fail over time too, and you will see these leaking above them. If that happens, you can replace these, they're not too bad, and they just use an 8 Oettinger. So I think it's an 8.8 Oettinger, they're not too bad. So the diffuser locks in first. You can see it has 4 holes because you have 4 flavors. So we have our 4 flavor lines that come down, and then we have our water, and we have our carb water. This is an example of something that should get looked at too. You can see it's pinched off, so that's one where you'd want to shorten up that line and get it onto that valve better. You can see that pops up, and that's how we actually are going to mix our soda. We don't want the soda to mix above the bottom. So that's how it works, is your carb or your water goes down the side and your flavor shoots down the middle. If it doesn't shoot down the middle and it starts to mix up here, what you're going to end up with is flat or non-carbonated soda, maybe a little bit, or you're just going to end up with like kind of weird flavored soda. So super important that that is correct. What does it look like when we have problem pieces? Well, here's one that's not the end of the world. You can see that one of these flavors probably is not going to taste very good, but the bottom is all present and accounted for. So it's better. Really bad is when you have this. You can see totally blasted out. I'm guessing that they are not getting particularly great flavored soda. So this is the kind of stuff you want to throw away and make room in your clean bin for fresh new ones. So super important, especially when you're brixing. So anytime you're out servicing this, it's worth taking the time to check this, take care of your store, make it right for them. Makes a good cup of soda for the customer. I hope that helps. We'll see you next time.